pack. Oh, hang on. Oh. Wendell. Fucking Wendell. Clark. Wow, my first pack ever on FIFA 16. And I get, oh, I got a free gold pack. No. Yeah. Next pack, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Give me someone good. Musa, 93 start. Fucking Musa, 93 pace, not bad. I got Mourinho in a pack. I got. Okay, here we go. Third pack. 3, 2, 1. Hernandez. In form! Suarez. Pack, here we go. Oh! Pastore. An ultimate pack, here we go. Messi on the pack, is it Messi in the pack? Who? Modeste? Who the fuck is that? 78 rated. Last pack. Here we go. Here we go. Am I gonna get any? Am I gonna get any? Send. As you can see. Fuck all in that pack.
Waiting in the fucking lobby, you should probably go see my crib. How the hell am I supposed to fit all these bitches inside of my whip? Goddamn young nigga getting bitches. Whole team got bands, we flip it.